Hello guys, this video is by House.tech and I am going to show you how to solve your audio problem or sound problem in Windows 10 operating system. So let's see step by step what you can do to solve the problem. So the first way is to find sound icon. So right click on it and select troubleshoot sound problems. But if it doesn't fixes your sound problem, so let's go to the next step. Go to the search box and type device manager. Click on it. In here you need to search for sound, video and game controller and expand it. Now right click here on high definition audio device, select properties. Now in properties you can able to see general. In that device status says that this device is working properly. So select driver tab and click on update drivers. Here you have to select or choose the second option and click on this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here you will get more options, so you have to select high definition audio device and click on next.